Hello everybody, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the Google Assistant settings of your device Vivo Y22s. So if you want to disable Google Assistant in your device, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how to disable Google Assistant in your device Vivo Y22s.